Hello, welcome to my video. So this is my last video and it's going to be a Christmas tree, but I don't know, I'll tell you something, I'm my worst critic because people must look at it and think either that's really good or that is not good at all, and I'm the worst. I will sit there and isolate myself, but I just thought I'd try it. Now I'm doing this course, but at the moment my mind's not really 100% into it. I've got other things going on, you know, so I thought I'd give it a go. So I've used Perfect Green from Madam Glam. I only give it one coat, it's all it needed. That stuff is amazing. And then I've just gone over with my matte top coat, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and drill one of them Christmas trees that are a swirl. Right, so I've got my gold paint. You can either use gold nail varnish or you can use gold painting gel, gold gel polish, sorry, or gold painting gel. And I was doing it and it just weren't happening. It just didn't feel right, and I was like, right, okay, what do I do? So I sat and watched a video, and someone said in their video that you shouldn't really use gold glitter because it doesn't really keep the shape. So I'm thinking, I'm not having no luck with this. So I kept a few of the mistakes in with this ropey brush that I've got. I thought it'd be good enough, but it wasn't. I had to change it for my amazing Natalie Mugridge brush because it's a lot thinner, so it gave me a thinner stripe to go with. It was just getting on my nerves. I was getting so frustrated, absolutely frustrated. Right, so here I am wiping it off, I think for the like 6th time, doing my head in. It was annoying me. Have I got my Natalie brush yet? I don't know. I left this bit in. Oh yeah, then I tried to, let me try it in green, in red. Nope, that didn't work. I took that one straight out. So yes, and now I've got my Natalie brush. And it's a really fine, ultra fine brush, and it's easy to draw really thin lines with, and then you can just, if you want to add more gel, you can. I was happy with this brush. And so yeah, I painted the tree. I've got all these things and I need to do stuff with it, and I just don't. You know what? I just realised my last video went out on the 1st of December. Woohoo! And this video will go out on the 4th of December. It'll be almost Christmas. I'm not sure when I'm off at a weekend. I've got to get my tree sorted. But yeah, not got my tree up yet. It's a bit too early. I'm not dragging that out as well as everything else that's been dragged out this year. But anyway, so I'm happier with this tree. It's just a swirly line. Just take your time. Draw a faint line, and if you're happy with it, just go over with a bit more gel, and if you're not, wipe it off and start again. It's no biggie, it's not a problem. Do you know what I mean? And I thought, okay, I'll put a star on the top. Getting a bit adventurous. Did I bake that? I might have baked it, I don't remember. Put a star on top. Yeah, that'll do. A red star. Just leave a nice red star on the top of my tree. I'm like, yeah. Then I got a dotting tool and I just dibbed it in, and then I went round the tree and put like baubles on it. I think I went a bit too mad, and I think I might have ruined it a bit. I'm not sure. I'm not like, yeah. I know that I could have done better, but I just like, yeah, we just put this on. It was just, by this point, I've been doing a few videos and I was getting proper frustrated with myself because I was thinking, I know I could do better, and I just like doing my head in there. Do you know what I mean? So I would like, just get this one out, Mish, because I need to get these videos out so that, you know, because yeah, I just need to get the videos out. Is everyone getting ready for Crimble? I've got one present for my mum. I had my turkey, but I bought my turkey last year. I go to Sainsbury's on Boxing Day, mate, and I will buy a fresh turkey for like £5-10, and it's fresh, still good. Put it in my freezer. I ain't paying £40 for a whole fresh turkey when I can get it for a £5 in Sainsbury's on Boxing Day. You're mad. Alright, so I baked it under the light, and then what I did was I just went over the tree with some clear top coat, non-white top coat. All my top coats are non-white. Yeah, I've not got a white top coat. I've never had one, I don't think. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, I thought I'd just do a bit of a Christmas set. I'm going to do like I said in my last video, I'm going to do an acrylic nail. Because I got myself a new 3D brush. Getting. So I'm going to do an acrylic nail. We'll see how naff that one turns out to be. Or not, I don't know. Depends on your point of view. These aren't really to teach you. They're just to give you an idea, maybe. You know? They're not there to, like, yeah, you have to do it this way. I'm not a teacher. I'm just some woman that just does nails as a hobby. I like doing it. It costs me a lot of money, but I enjoy it. I don't care. I work hard, so it doesn't matter. So this is the tree finished. Don't look too bad. So now you're going to get a line up of all the nails, plus the ones you didn't get to see on the other video. Because, look at my snowy red one. And my lights. They're the two videos that I missed on my last video. Proper gutted. Zoom in, Mish, zoom in. But what do you reckon? They're all right, aren't they? Pretty simple Christmas ideas. Not bad for someone who don't really do nails. You can see, look at my thumb. Big thumb. Way. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's given you some sort of idea on what to do. Hit like, subscribe, and share. Please share. That sounded so sad. And I'll see you in my next video. You'll take it easy. Ta-da. Bye-bye.